Hello? Hi, it's been a minute since I've been on YouTube. Shame me all you want. Yeah, okay. So yeah, it's been a minute. That's very much my fault. I have at least like 6 to 5 videos that I just need to edit and post out. Like there's one all the way back from 2023. But we're gonna make a video today. I mean, I'm already making one, but as you can see, microphone. You see this little upgrades? It takes time. Anyways, I'm going to fulfill my childhood destiny today and become an unboxing YouTuber. Look, it's a package. Today with me, I have a Olive Young package that I purchased maybe 5 days ago, and I'm very excited to open it.
My pet peeve is people saying, I know exactly how you feel.
I'm very excited. So, we're gonna open it together. I really hope you guys can hear me. If you can't see the setup, this is my 𝐬𝐻𝐿. Microphone's on top. Okay, I played back the footage. We're good. I have not done this in a long time. Anyways, how are you guys? I think I stopped posting. Well, I mean, the last video I posted was of my prom, and I just finished my first year of college, so it's been a while. I'm just really excited. So much joy in this. Are you ready? I'm ready. First thing, I forgot that with filming with my front camera, everything's gonna be inverted. But anyways, this is the Dashing Diva Dye Hardener. This is for your nails. I actually need to look into more of what this is. It's just my nails are very brittle and they break very easily. So these are supposed to strengthen them. I may have to refilm this multiple times, but hopefully I won't. This is the Mood Pebble Hardener. This is from Romand, and this is a little nail polish. Yeah, I think I low-key ruined my nails with gel, so I've been trying to get regular polishes and press-ons to fix that. So hopefully this will do the trick. Next, we have my holy grail of like all time. This is the Romand Be Juicy Lasting Tint in the shade 𝐬𝐫𝐸. If you know me, I have this always in my purse or on me every single time. Even if I don't have a purse, I will find a way to carry it with me. It will be in the back pocket of my pants. Like, it will be somewhere. I have gone through at least 4 of these already, so I'm happy. I got my refills, and I'm pretty sure the packaging is different. Let's see. Basically, there's another one somewhere in there, but these are the 4 that I have used dry. Like, I'm not gonna open them. just trust me, okay? They are empty. This is the one I'm currently on. There's a little bit more left, but I need to change it soon, so. Packaging upgrade. Hello. She's really pretty. This is what it used to look like. Oh my god. Okay. I've also seen people on TikTok, like, they open it up because it's in a clear case and they put stickers inside. So that will have to be another video. Okay. The next product, this is the 𝐬𝐧𝐿 kombucha. It came with my Melody. That was mainly the reason why I purchased it. Free gift inside, it is a coaster, but also it was only $5. And I needed to get to a certain amount to get a free gift. So this did the trick. Let's see which one's inside. guess it was the one on the packaging, but it's really pretty. It's a rubber coaster and it's my Melody, so automatic add to the cart. It's really cute. This is the Miss & Sen Perfect Serum. This is the 200 ml. I have, oh, here it is. It's actually on my desk. 110 ml. As you can see, the size difference. I don't know why my face needs to be in it. But yeah, I got this as a PR package from them a while ago, and I actually fell in love with the scent, but also the texture. It's really nice. And I actually just received from them their shampoo and hair treatment, so I'm testing that out for a week and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I had to get a refill of it. It's huge. And then also, look at it. This is the mist version. So I have like everything, so I'm just really excited for this because it smells really good. Like, I've never smelled a hair product so good before. If you like 𝐢𝐵, this is their #1 pick. This next product is the reason why I did this whole, like, Olive Young purchase in general. These sponsored ads get me every single time. This is the Juicy Lasting Tint Set with Cinema Roll. The ads get me every single time. It comes with a tint and a keychain, and this is in the shade Bare Grape. I have tons of Romand lip products. If you know me, it's bad, but it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I do like this color. The other color I wanted, I think, was like something Aloha, but they didn't have it. It was sold out by the time that I bought it. So I got this one, Bare Grape, which I do like the shade. But yeah, the container is different because it's the summer. So instead of it being like red for like a red color, it is, oops, sorry, a sandy brown. But I love it. It has cinnamon roll on it. And then there's a shell on the back, and it says #3 Bare Grape. And then the keychain, the most exciting part. It is a shaker keychain. Do you see that? Hold on. Look at how cute it is. Cinnamon roll, a Romand lip tint, a little hibiscus flower, and then a little ice cream, and then like something else Romand. Maybe it's like a little blush. But that's not all that I got. There's one more. Ta-da! This is the reason why I needed to hit a certain amount in order to like purchase my stuff, so then I could get some freebies. Holy crap! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Holy moly. This is actually insane. Okay, let's flip the camera now and I'll show you every single thing that I got. Here is the kombucha set with the My Melody coaster. Here it is. It's made out of silicone. And once again, it's really, really cute. Here are all the nail products that I chose. This is the Dashing Diva Dye Hardener and the Romand Mood Pebble Hardener. And this is in the shade Peach Guard. Here is the Romand Sanrio collaboration that includes the Juicy Lasting Tint as well as the keychain. And here is what it looks like outside of the box. It's so cute. As you can see, Cinnarol is right there on the front of the lip gloss, and this is in the shade #3 Bare Grape. And here is the shaker keychain. Really, really cute. You can also open up the keychain. All you have to do is open this keychain part here. Open it up, and then you should be able to slide it open like so, and look at all of the charms that are inside. And last but not least, here are the 2 Juicy Lasting Tints that I picked up as a refill. This is my holy grail of all time K-beauty. This is #5 Jujube. This is my favorite color. I would even call this my signature color. I've gotten complimented on this many times. Packaging got such a beautiful upgrade, but I want to show you guys how beautiful this is. I'm going to give you a quick little swatch. And then here is the swatch of Bare Grape. just to show how well it stains when we rub them off. But as you can see, they do leave a stain. If you are wanting to purchase anything from Olive Young and you want to get anything from this amazing sale that they currently are having, make sure to use my code right here and you can save some money, because in this economy we got to do that. But yeah, like and subscribe. Yeah, see you in the next one. I'm not really digging this bulb look today. Hold on, my hair clip's falling. Okay. I actually buy this. This is so bad. I did not remember that I bought this.